The problem that I had, the reason why I called Guardian was I had a leak in my roof, a metal roof that developed after 23 years, developed a small leak that was dripping into a bathroom. Guardian saved me probably $10,000. So Ryan came out, and so that began the process. I've interacted with Guardian employees 4 times, and each time they were polite. They answered all my questions. They seemed to care about my house as much as I do. They were neat. They cleaned up. They did the work, explained exactly what they were going to do, did the work, and then followed up with a roof cleaning. And I'm very happy. Thank you very much. The roof leak is solved, and it, like I say, it saved me a bundle of money to get the right diagnosis. Highly recommend Guardian Roofing to all my friends and neighbors throughout the country. I'm very pleased.